Hey, what's up guys? I'm KBHD here, and they did it. These are the colorwear AirPods, and this is dope tech. So I've showed colorwear stuff before. You remember they've painted laptops, headphones, controllers, all kinds of stuff by taking it apart, repainting it, and then putting it back together. It's awesome. So these AirPods have proven to be one of the most difficult things to map and paint and everything because of their curvy shape and their tiny size and just overall tons of miniature details. But better late than never, you gotta trust the process, and now you're looking at the first fully functioning matte AirPods on the planet. And yes, I went with the crazy red in one ear and black in the other ear because, well, I wanted to know what they both look like. And I think the matte Formula Red looks great in the hand, and just while examining it, you can see all the little sensors and the earpiece and the microphone holes and all the little things I have to paint around. And they've done it all seemingly perfectly. No chipping, no paint that's thicker in some places and thinner in others. It's a perfectly uniform satin coat that gives it that undercover matte look that beats the regular glossy white AirPods every day, in my opinion. Now there's another company, Slick Wraps, that's doing skins for the AirPods, and I'm sure that's pretty cool, and it looks probably great when it's done well, but to me, skins don't quite seem like the ideal way to do it. The application process, first of all, to get it perfectly around the earpod is probably insanely hard. It would definitely also add thickness to the buds, and most importantly, the edges would stick up from the edges of the AirPod and be uncomfortable and probably catch your skin and even scratch you. So the way to go is definitely paint, and if you ask me, the matte black is the GOAT. Now it'll definitely be harder to find if you drop them. I'll definitely give you that, that's true. But they look a lot less noticeable in your ears, which is kind of the point. They don't scream, steal me as much. And if earpods and AirPods do fit in your ears, then you can wear them and they'll feel and look a lot like just any other regular black pair of wireless headphones out there. And that's the idea. All the functionality still works and the features are still there, double tap for Siri and volume control and next track and everything. It's not my favorite way to control any wireless earbuds, like I mentioned in the review, but hey, it still works perfectly, which is what matters. And as you can see, they even paint the case too, which is very cool. So definitely an expensive and premium option. Not so many people can even do this with their AirPods, especially when they're so rare and are outright out of stock everywhere. But I am squarely in their target demographic for something like this. And in case you didn't know, I really am a fan of matte black, like I mentioned in the last video, the Dear Apple video. So I would actually get these, probably to use while I work on a matte black iMac, on a matte black desk, probably while listening to Panda. I'd probably be typing on a matte black Apple keyboard with a matte black Apple mouse to go with it, but then that would probably get old kind of quick, so I'd bring in a matte black MX Master, and then the keyboard would get old too, so I'd bring in, an all black full-on mechanical keyboard. That's right, you're not seeing things, don't need any glossy letters in the way. And I'd record this voiceover using a matte black microphone to listen to on matte black speakers, storing it on matte black storage. But I'm not obsessed or anything. Right? All right, so bottom line, these obviously aren't for everyone. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to buy them, but they do seem really cool and I figured I might as well share them with you. And this also happens to be a super exclusive because this is the first time anyone's ever shown matte colored AirPods from Colorwear on video. This is the first pair they made. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to hit that like button if you did, and the link to check out all the stuff I talked about I'll also put below the like button if you wanna check out those things too. But that's been it. Thank you for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.